Hello and welcome to Doherty Library Video Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn about using the library's A to Z database list and why it is a great place to get started with your research. Before we get started with searching, let's start with what a database is and why you should use library databases for your next research project. So what is a database? According to the New Paltz State University of New York, a database is an online searchable collection of information. Unlike an internet search engine, library databases are subscription-based, free for UST students, faculty, and staff, and are carefully curated with scholarly articles, academic journals, and ebooks. Databases are organized often by subject, so for example, business, education, nursing, etc. And when you're searching in databases, you use keywords to maximize your time and to make searching easier. Doherty Library databases are available to you 24/7, and off-campus access is also available. All you need to do is log in with your UST email and password when prompted by the system. So now that we know what a database is and why they are so useful, let's start searching. So to get started using the A to Z database list, visit the library's website from UST's homepage. There's a red bar at the top, or at library.sttom.edu like you see on my screen, or from the Assist tab in Blackboard. So let's get started. So from the library's website, we're going to scroll to the middle of the page under Find Articles, Books, and More, and we're going to click Browse A to Z Database List on the right-hand side. Here's our databases. So like it says, here you can find the best library databases containing articles, abstracts, and more for your research. So now we have a couple of options. If you're just getting started and you're not sure where to start, on the right-hand side here, we do have our most popular databases. So you can take a look at those and see if any of those would be useful for your research. We also have this little chat bubble here in the bottom right-hand corner. If you click that, you can go ahead and put in your name and your question, and a librarian will answer you back and be able to assist you with your research. A couple of other things, as you can see, they're in order by alphabetically. So you can go ahead and say if you know the name of the database you want. So JSTOR, we can click J, go to JSTOR, and there's our database right there. You can also browse by subject. So if we are a nursing major, we can go ahead and scroll down to nursing and then hit search. And we put our favorites that we think will help you the most with your research at the top, but then there's also additional databases down below. You can also search for multiple subjects at the same time. So we can do nursing and say, let's do biology up here at the top. So it'll show you both. Hit search. And now these are all the databases available to you. If at any time you want to clear out the search filters you've chosen, you can just hit this clear filters here. The other way you can search our databases is by type. So if you're looking for a specific thing, like you want to take your research on the go, there is ebook here. And this will show you all of our ebook databases that can give you ebooks for your research. Another option is, of course, if you're doing more historical research, you may need some primary sources. So we can scroll under type and we can go to primary sources and hit search. So there's all of our databases that contain primary sources. We could also do, if we wanted to filter by subject and by type, we could do history and then do primary sources. And if you can see, there's 12 databases for history that also contain primary sources. So this concludes our tutorial on how to search for library resources using the A to Z database list. If you have any questions or want to learn more about the features of a specific database, you can stop by the reference desk, email, or chat with your librarian at askus.sttom.edu. Thank you and happy researching.